Welcome to Airtech Industries Company, manufacturer and supplier of air conditioning project solutions. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, incepted in 2005, at Aurangabad. We serve to medical centers, supermarkets, and other areas. Kamalnayan Bajaj Hospital and Jindal Poly Films Limited are some of our esteemed clients, and we are backed by zero defect production and after-sales support. We offer a wide array of industrial chillers, air conditioning services and vapor absorption chilling systems. Hot, cold and nitrile rubber insulations offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. We also provide PUF and glass wool insulations at industry-leading prices. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of rock wool insulations and clean rooms that are cost-effective. Our air conditioners and air handling units are well known for their impeccable performance. HVAC project for pharmaceutical and air-cooled chillers for industries are setting a benchmark in the market. To get more details, please visit our website www.indiamart.com/airtech-industries-company.